Good morning, all of you. Welcome to Sri Ganesh online lecture series. Myself, Khadangale Pankaj. Today we are going to learn EVS second, chapter number 2. Our chapter's name is Word of Sense. What is the name? Word of Sense. Okay, chapter number 2. In this chapter we are going to learn about some sense and their work. But before that, we'll revise what we have learned yesterday. What we have learned yesterday? Anyone can tell me? Okay. Which lesson we have completed yesterday? Very good. Maharashtra before Shivaji. In that lesson we have learned that Shivaji Maharaj had established Swaraj, Hindavi Swaraj, and for that purpose he took guidelines from the work of these saints. So what work actually they did, that we are going to learn today. Okay? So open your textbook. Which is your textbook? This one. See, standard 4th EVS second book. From this now we are going to learn second chapter, page number 3. Okay, this page all have to open. Open your book fast. See, first I will read the paragraph, then I will explain you. Okay, see, put your finger on the line. You have to put your index finger. This one is your index finger. This index finger you are going to put on line. If you will put it, so while reading you will come to know that which is difficult word and what is its pronunciation. Okay? So see, first of all we are going to do loud reading. Loud reading is very important to get it understand. See, the tradition of Sant that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhamela was continued by Sant coming from various strata of society. In this group of saints are included Sant Goroba, Sant Savta, Sant Narhari, Sant Eknath, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba. Similarity, Sant Janabai, Sant Soirabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Muktabai, Sant Kanopatra and Sant Bahinabai Shirulkar are also included. See, they taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. No one is inferior, no one is superior. All are equal. Such was the sentiment that was created by Sant in the minds of people. Similarly, Samarth Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. See, these two paragraphs we are going to learn today. Okay? This one is just introduction about sons. Okay? So see, what is told in first line? The tradition of sons that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar. See, which are saints are there? I'll write on board. Okay? We'll write their names. Sri Chakradhar. Sri Chakradhar, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhamela, संत चोखा मेळा, see like this. What is told? The tradition. Tradition means we have learned yesterday another word, culture. Culture means tradition. These are similar words. See, the tradition of Sant that began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokha Mela was continued by sons coming from various strata of society. What is mean by strata? See, hard word it is. Strata of society. Strata means level. Okay, strata means level. L-E-V-E-L. Strata means level. Means what was the word? Strata of society. So societies different levels. Means some are from rich society, some are from poor society, some are from uneducated society, some are from undeveloped area, like this. So this sense came from different strata of the society or different level of the society. See, in this group of sons are included Sant Goroba. Again, who is included in this? Sant Goroba. See, Sant Goroba, Sant Goroba, Sant Savta, संत सावका, संत नरहरी, अगेन संत एकनाथ, अगेन संत शेख मोहम्मद. See, he is Mohammedan person, means Muslim. Then also which word we are using for him? Sant. Sant Sheikh Muhammad. Sant Sheikh Muhammad. Again some names are there. Sant Tukaram. See, he is mentioned here. Sant Tukaram. Sant Tukaram. Sant Niroba. Again, look at the word. Sant Niroba. This much are there. Okay, similarly these all are men. Similarly some women were there, some women were there. Okay, women's. Woman is a singular, women is plural. Women. Okay, not women's. Women. These are men and some now women are there. See, which are those? Sant Janabai. I'll use another frame so you'll understand. Sant Janabai. Sant Janabai. Sant Soyrabai. Sant Soyrabai. Sant Nirmalabai. Again, Sant Muktabai. Sant Muktabai. संत कानोपात्रा and संत बहिणाबाई शिवूरकर. संत बहिणाबाई शिवूरकर are also included. See, these must sons are there. श्री चक्रधर, संत नामदेव, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, संत चोखामेळा, संत गोरोबा, संत सावता, संत नरहरी, संत एकनाथ. You are able to see? Shall show you. संत एकनाथ, संत शेख मोहम्मद. Then this side संत तुकाराम, संत निळोबा. Just a minute, we'll make some adjustment. Okay, see, संत तुकाराम, संत निळोबा, संत जनाबाई, संत सोयराबाई, संत निर्मलाबाई, संत मुक्ताबाई, संत कान्होपात्रा, संत बहिणाबाई शिवूरकर. Okay, so most of these names you have listened them. You have heard it. If you ask your parents, grandparents about these people, they will tell you lot of events about them, lot of information they will tell you. What they did, that also some stories they will tell you. Okay, and similar work you are going to learn in English, Marathi. You are going to learn their work. Some part of their literature will be included in your syllabus of Marathi, English. You are going to learn it. But now it's very important to learn in EVS second also. Why? Because how their work helped to Shivaji Maharaj to establish Hindavi Swaraj. What moral values he taught to people, that we are going to learn. So it's very important to learn basic things about these people. We should have basic information about these people. Okay? So first of all, what you will do, what will be your homework today? You have to copy all these names in your notebook. Okay? This much and this side, this side. Why I use here two color ink? For gents' name are written in blue color ink and women's name are written in red color. Okay? So see, now this much people were there and they have done their work. So what they taught to people. Now we got an introduction that these people are there. These people were there. But what they did for people. Now that we are going to learn step by step. Okay? So see, in common we'll see what work they did. See, they taught people various virtues. Various means many. Okay? See, we'll write. Shall I rub this now? Okay, you will copy this in your notebook in good handwriting. Various means different also we can use, or Many also we can take. Okay, we'll take here many. Many. Various means many. Various virtues. What is mean by virtue? Virtues means moral skills. Virtues means moral skills. You know moral word, moral stories. We are getting something moral from that. So like this, that word moral, moral skills. Meaning of moral skill is virtue. Moral skills. Then see, they taught people various virtues. Like, now which are those virtues that we are going to see? See, we'll do here diagram. The same diagram you are going to draw in your notebook. Okay. See, today is start of the lesson, so you will have little more homework to complete. So if you understand basic concept of this lesson, then their work you can keep in mind for ever and ever. See, virtues. I mention here. See, 6 are there, so we will take here. We will start from here. 1 number. Which virtue they taught? First one is compassion. Which one? Compassion. What is mean by compassion? Can anyone guess? Okay. See, I think so. I should not tell a similar word to you. Why? Because compassion word you have to keep in mind. If you keep another word in mind, it will be difficult. So, compassion. See, non-violence. Second one is non-violence. Now violence. Violence means fighting. Okay? So non-violence. So we should not fight. Third one, charity. One good thought is also that charity begins from home. So what does it mean by charity? Kindness. Charity means kindness. We will take here because it's in good thought also. Charity. Kindness. Charity, kindness. Service. What is fourth point? Service. Fifth one, equality. And sixth one, brotherhood. Sixth one is brotherhood. Brotherhood. So see, these much points are there. So we will do it shape of a diagram. So see, these diagrams are very helpful to keep all the things in mind and to express our view. So such diagrams you can draw in your examinations also. Okay? So see, what these people taught. Just before 2-3 minutes we are seeing a many sons name. Okay? So what those people taught, that we have learned that those people taught virtues to the people. So in those virtues means moral skills. What they taught to people? Compassion, non-violence, charity. Charity means kindness, service, equality, and brotherhood. Brotherhood means always we should behave with others as a brother and sister. Okay? So brotherhood. So these much things those people taught to people. Who taught? All those saints. Okay? So see, what they taught again? No one is inferior. What is meant by inferior? See here I make. Inferior means junior or lower. Okay? Inferior and superior, these are opposite words. See, inferior, superior. Inferior means junior and superior means senior. So like this, no one is inferior, no one is superior. Like this we should keep in mind. Inferior means go down, superior means go high. No one is inferior, no one is superior. Okay? So see, such was the sentiment that was created by sons in the mind of people. Sentiments means thoughts. Such was the sentiment that was created by sons in the people's mind. Like this, they are taught to people that compassion should be there, non-violence, charity, service. Service means help to others. Equality, that all people are equal. Brotherhood, we should behave with each other as a brother and sister. So these are the virtues, and these people are taught to the people. They are saying mind. Similarly, Samarth Ramdas also rendered his work in Maharashtra. Render means he did his work in Maharashtra. Who did? Samarth Ramdas. Who is the Samarth Ramdas? Who was Sri Chakradhar Swami? All these things we are going to learn tomorrow. Okay?